the theory of Malcolm Knowles. So Malcolm Knowles has this theory about the andragogy of adult learners. So, di ba po, narinig na po natin yung salitang pedagogy. So, pedagogy is for children. Di ba? Children who learns classroom type and some facilitators, even some trainers, still uses that framework. Di ba? I'm pretty sure meron tayong viewer ngayon, nag-attend ka na ng seminar, ng training kung saan inantok ka or wala ka masyado nakuha. It was 8 hours and 8 hours na yun yung speaker lang yung nagsalita. I'm pretty sure na-experience na natin yan. Malcolm Knowles actually encourage us not to use the pedagogy or yung kumbaga nagmumukha kasi tayong know-it-all.
Yeah.
Kapag tayo lang yung nagsasalita all the time. Diba? Nangyayari na sa atin yan, I'm pretty sure. That's why sabi ni Malcolm Knowles, there are 6 things that we have to consider when we're facilitating a meeting, a training, a team building, or even just with your friends.